guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sin. Today we are bringing you a quick wig video. This one's a little different. My face is all made up, but I'm getting ready to head out and I felt like this would be the perfect time to do the What Lace Anisha by Sensationel. And this wig has been on the market for a minute now, a couple of weeks now. I've been trying to get my hand on this wig, the particular color on the stock card. However, every time I try to get this wig, she is sold out. The color is sold out. Now, the wig cap that I got on is not the perfect color wig cap, but that's okay. We gonna make it do what it do, what it do, what it do. Okay, there she is. I've been wanting to get this color, and this is called Balayage Mocha. And I got the exact color on the stock card. You know, the details. It is well-crafted, customized, undetectable lace. That's what Sensationel has been doing lately, is this undetectable lace. And so I wanted to try it out because not only is it the blonde that I like, because I do love a good blonde, but it's also, you know, the Babiana season. So we're taking it right out the bag. I got this wig, I picked this wig up from Wig Types. That's where I shop for all of my wigs, because one thing I've learned about Wig Types is the wigs are very affordable and they're synthetic wigs. And I go like, I don't need the wig right away, right? So I could wait 2 days for the wig to come. I don't need it from Amazon, because most of the time if I order this wig on Monday, by Wednesday or Thursday, I've gotten the wig in my mailbox and I'm ready to kind of judge it up and put it on. So let's take her out of the stocking, and we're gonna put the stocking over there. And I'm gonna take out all the little necessary paperwork that comes in it. Look, in there. And so yeah, we'll take all that out of here. Take all that out. Now she's the regular deal, you know. She comes with a comb and adjustable straps in the back. And she has 2 combs at the side, and of course the lace that they talk about. Like, this is the lace. It's like a brownish lace. Nothing, like a little grayish, but nothing too like spectacular, right? So we're gonna try her on outside of the box. We just picked her up, and there goes Miss Babiana. Okay, Miss Babiana is like, yes, Anisha. Anisha is cute on your girl. I decided to stand up to kind of do this video. Let me kind of adjust you guys a bit, but what y'all think about her? She cute. She cute. Now, with the wig and the lace and the color, yeah, so I am gonna switch laces because I am actually trying to wear her. So I'm gonna get a darker wig cap, and then I'll come back and show you guys, you know, my final thoughts on her. So we're gonna cut this lace off. I'm gonna come close to you guys so you guys can see the color. And yeah, I think this color is so beautiful. I do this joke about these side bobs. Now she is cute. She really is. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back of her. Like, she real cute. Like, Anisha is cute. I'm looking in the mirror, and yeah, let me go cut this lace off, and then I'll be right back. So I changed the wig cap to a more flesh tone color. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible powdered foundation, and I'm going to kind of, you know, blend into the lace. This is the lace. Be careful cutting the lace off on this particular wig, because I realized that this wig is really undetectable lace for real. Like, literally the lace, you gotta be careful cutting it, because I couldn't see where the line start and where the line end, honey. So yeah, be careful how you are doing it. And let me see if I need to adjust the straps, because sometimes some of these wigs I need to, and other times I don't. And And you guys are hearing noise in the background because my husband don't realize that I told him, ooh, I'm giving 90 Sally Raphael, honey. Oh, look at that lace. Look at that. What a lace at. That's why I tell y'all, be careful cutting this lace off, because where's she at, honey? Where is that lace, girl? So I'm looking over here in the mirror. Oh, I think I'm gonna go back and get her in a different color, like a dark, like a brown or something. Cause she giving Sally Jesse Raphael, and if y'all don't know who that is, ooh, y'all is a little too young for this page. No, I'm kidding. She giving, ooh, she's cute. Now, this Anisha wig, everybody is talking about it and they're wearing it. You don't really need to do any kind of customization on this wig, because this wig literally already is customized based off of the stock card and the lace. It is undetectable. It really is. Like, I'm gonna bring y'all closer to the hairline. Ooh, girl. What y'all think about this wig? She is giving mature woman right now, because bobs on me gives me like my age. When I have dark hair, I look like I'm a teenager or something. But this one here, she giving mama's in her late 30s, early 40s look. Boy, is she a cutie. And she can be parted on the other side. You don't need to have her parted on one side, because she does have, she is 13 by 6. And I love a good 13 by 6 waist, like lace. Yeah, 13 by 6 parting space is what works for me. I love it because I can do so much with her on this side and whatnot. Yeah, so this will be my little, see, and I like to push the hair off my face too. Sometimes I could take her up, since she is a Bobbiana, and I could do this and give her a little like clip. And I think my final thoughts on this wig is she is worth it. I didn't glue the wig down yet, but I'm gonna spray her, and I think this is how we are going to wear her today, because I like wigs when I have a bob or hair like this. I like to bring it off my face, and I think this is perfect, especially for the color that she is in. Like, OMG, you do not need to, I'm telling you, for this wig, you do not need to like melt this waist down. You could wear this lace as a, you know, glueless lace front. To me, I think she looks good. You pull her up where your stocking cap is, and yeah, so this is my final look on the Anisha wig. I think she came out really great. I like her. She's really great. And I'm gonna buy her in another color. I'm going to look for a 1B or something like that, but I'm definitely will be rocking her all throughout the summer, because I think she is perfect. Like that lace, baby, that lace. She cute. She's giving me what I want her to give me, and I love it. This is usually how I wear my bobs, and my real hair is about this length or a little longer than this, but it's black and it's natural. So, but yeah, before I had a bob, and I think I have a picture of me with my bob, and I'll pop it up here so you guys could see that and get an idea of, you know, what I'm talking about. But I really, really, absolutely love this wig. I hope you guys do too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can catch up with all of my wig series that I'm doing this spring and summer. We're bringing synthetic, we're bringing Amazon wigs, and I got a special surprise for you coming up in a future